Right now, I am showcasing a real special device here from Polyn Technology. It's the NeuroVoice VAD90. Hello, engineers, developers, and friends. Welcome to a very special episode of DevKit Weekly live from Embedded World 2026. Now, you may be seeing this week's or even months from now as we post these, but I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and I'm so glad that you've joined us for another episode of DevKit Weekly. Now, this is a human speech detector, and it's so sensitive that even here in the exhibit hall, which is full of noise and background white noise and things like that, it picks it up so easily, regardless of the noisy environment. It's based on Polyn's neuromorphic analog signal processing, but once it picks up the voice, it can then send those signals out to trigger different activities. It's really impressive and really cool, and you should check it out. Links are down in the description. Make sure that if you're not subscribed to us yet, you go ahead and subscribe to us here on YouTube or anywhere where you found this. Make sure that you never miss an episode of DevKit Weekly or any of our shows. In the meantime, we'll see you all real soon. I've been Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief and your host. I'll see you soon.